Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. I am Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist, and vocal technique teacher. And today, I have prepared a vocal warm-up from scratch, basic and easy. It's a routine of exercises for beginners. Let's start our warm-up with breathing and diaphragm exercises. Don't lift your chest while breathing. The breathing should be diaphragmatic. If you still don't know how to breathe correctly, you can find the link to my video on the right. You have to hold on for as long as possible. Also observe that the area of your abdomen moves and contracts. It's a correct sensation. Now let's do the lip trill exercise. Many beginners struggle with this exercise as it requires a bit of practice. It all depends on how well you can control your breath. If you can't do the lip trill, you can do it with
así. O Tienes que mantener tus dientes relajados, ¿vale? Y los labios tienen que estar en la posición de como si quisieras dar un besito. El impulso tiene que venir desde abajo, desde tu diafragma. Seguimos. Sigue. Un poquito más.
You probably have to do the passaggio here and switch to your head voice. It's normal.
Un poquito más. Barítonos y tenores. Solo tenores.
With a little practice, you will be able to do the lip trill much better. Let's practice the vocalization exercises. Keep your jaw and face very relaxed. The movement of the jaw is downwards. Let's sing
Ma, mo, mu, me, mi. Ma, mo, mu, me, mi. Coge el aire. Ma, mo, mu, me, mi. Aire. Ma, mo, mu, me, mi. La cara está relajada. Seguimos. Barítonos, vamos, y bajos.
You probably have to do the passaggio here and switch to your head voice.
Tenores, un poquito más.
Now we are going to sing the staccato as it sounds in Italian. It is a very active sound. You have to engage your diaphragm, your abdomen, to produce this sound. Also, feel this sound in your nasal resonator, right inside the nasal cavity.
Suena así. Pa, 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 pa.
As you can hear, it's a very lively sound, not weak.
Ojo. ¿Preparados? Vamos. Pa, 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 pa. Coge el aire. Pa, 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 pa. El aire. Pa, 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 pa. Seguimos. Activos, chicos. Cogemos el aire. Los bajos y barítonos pueden pasar a cabeza. Un poquito más.
Very good. Now let's find our head voice. Try making this sound.
¡Qué guay! ¡Qué bien! ¡Woohoo!
This is your head register. We are going to sing with this voice now. Sing this note. It's likely to sound very airy and weak at first. Don't worry, with time and practice, this sound will become more projected and powerful. Now we are going to sing with our head voice.
Barítonos siguen también. Los chicos bajos, de cabeza.
And now we do exercises for our chest voice to sing high notes. It's a more advanced technique because it requires some knowledge and control. Pay attention to your breathing. Keep the sensation of yawning when you inhale.
Bostezar.
This way, you will create the pharyngeal space. Now imagine you have to call someone who is far away.
¡Hey!
Don't be afraid to sound loud.
Vamos. Hey, hey, hey. Coge el aire. Hey, hey, hey. Seguimos.
You have to maintain the sensation of yawning in a relaxed face.
Hey, hey. Y no empujes el sonido. Barítonos, vamos. Cogemos el aire, bostezamos y llamamos. Tenores, todo de pecho, vamos. Un poquito más. Una nota más.
If you have liked my video, Subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to receive my new videos. I invite you to my website www.nataliabliss.com. There you will find information about my singing courses and classes, my singing course on Telegram, video courses on Udemy, and also my free voice tuner. Additionally, you can access the online store for sound equipment and microphones that I use. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep improving your vocal technique. Kisses!